So the STEM innovation program at the preschool is designed to incorporate our traditional instruction in the classroom, but also offers 2 long extended days that these children are staying with their same group of peers, and they're also staying with the same teacher throughout the day.
Yeah, and having those long days gives us the time to be with the same kids and work on the same curriculum, so we can work on it in the morning or in the afternoon and just really start diving deeper into projects. Yeah. They can begin staying those 2 extra long days, beginning in the 2s, but even if they pick it up in the 3s or in pre-K, they're not going to have missed something from the 2s.
When we begin a project in the STEM innovation program, we like to start off finding out what the kids already know about a topic, and we kind of make a brainstormed list, and that's kind of how we frame what activities and experiments we're going to do. And then by the end, we start a reflection, and we like to keep a progress of this in our STEM journals that we've been creating, and it also ties in that fine motor component for literacy.
We focus on the questions that they want to know. We work through them, and they get to reflect back on, oh, we didn't know this at first, but now we do. And they really have a lot of these aha moments where they've made so many connections.
We've had a really fun time this year in our class doing some gardening. We started with our kindness curriculum at the preschool, and we incorporated planting seeds of kindness. We grew some bean plants, and now we have a pre-K garden outside, a STEM garden.
Last year, our first project kicked off on the first day of school when we found this really cool bug that was out on the playground. The kids all huddled around, and the next day they found a really cool bug. And so we just started talking about bugs. The kids started asking questions. So we kept with our traditional learning of our letters and everything, but throughout the day we kept adding bugs into it, and we learned about a ton of Georgia bugs.
At the beginning of the year, we had a student on a home visit that was really interested in the human bodies. He was making red blood cells and white blood cells. And then we got to school and started talking about germs and hand washing, and we found the kids were just very interested in their bodies. So we were able to expand upon that and do this whole project, and it made it so meaningful. The kids traced their bodies, and they added the different organs as we talked about it. And
we were working on those fine motor skills of cutting out the visual spatial of placing them on the bodies.
So the benefit to this STEM classroom and these longer units of study is that we are getting the science and the math and the engineering, but we're also incorporating those early literacy skills, and they have a little bit more meaning because we are tying them to our unit that they're interested in.
Exactly. The vocabulary, the reading, all that is tied to the project that we're working on, that long-term project, whether it is the body, bugs, turkeys. I like how we can meet a lot of different learning styles with it, where we integrate that science, that technology, that engineering and math. We really hit all the different learning styles and find what the kids like and are able to build upon the different projects as we go throughout the year.